Right, before we get into it, let's talk about pricing, because pricing is important for everybody. I use Rebrandly completely for free. I don't pay for anything that I do. So everything I show you in this video, I do for nothing. But the pricing, so it's free. Here we go. Fast redirects unlimited. Click track per month 5,000. It doesn't mean if you go over 5,000, number of clicks each month, additional click billed separately for paid plans. It doesn't mean that the link will stop working if you hit a limit. It just means it's not being tracked. So if you've got a link that's to your Facebook page and it gets over 5,000, it's not going to stop working. It's just not going to show you how many people clicked on it, right? Total branded links 500, so these are change links that you put. And custom domains. So we're going to talk about buying your own domain and using your own shortened version rather than the Rebrandly. $29 a month version, you're going to get more click stats, you're going to get more branded links, same domains. And then the unlimited plan, 150,000 clicks a month, 15,000 branded things, and you're into crazy numbers. The only big difference is being able to use the domain as a website. You can see all the differences below, but honestly, in this video, I'm going to show you the free version. If you need to track link clicks, you may need to start paying, but for everything I show you in this video, you're not going to need to worry about paying.